Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Want to change the JavaScript optimization settings in Google Chrome? Chrome gives you two options that balance website speed and security. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to find and change the JavaScript optimization settings in Google Chrome on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's get started. First, open Google Chrome. Tap the three-dot menu in the top right corner. Then tap Settings. Next, tap Privacy and Security. Then tap JavaScript Optimizations and Security. The JavaScript optimization settings will appear. Here, you can choose between two options. The first option speeds up websites with Chrome's V8 engine, but makes Chrome slightly less resistant to attacks. The second option does not speed up websites with the V8 engine, but makes Chrome slightly more resistant to attacks. Choose the option you want to use. And that's how to change the JavaScript optimization settings in Google Chrome on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.